In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in ConvertKit. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Find the option labeled Send, click on it, and from the drop-down menu choose Email Templates. This is where all your newsletter designs live. On the top right, click the button that says New Email Template. ConvertKit will now show you a gallery of different template styles. You can use the filters on the left-hand side to narrow these down based on layout or purpose. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that matches the look and feel you want for your brand. When you've found one you like, simply click on it and it will open in the editor. Inside the editor, your email template preview appears in the center or to the left, and the editing options sit in a panel on the right. You'll now customize the essentials of your newsletter. Start with the subject line. Keep it clear, specific, and focused on a benefit your reader will get. A strong, result-oriented subject line is what convinces people to open the email. Next, update the preview text. This is the short line that appears next to the subject in most inboxes. Use it to support the subject line and add a bit of curiosity, so people feel compelled to click. For your opening, write a few lines that feel personal and relatable. You can acknowledge a common challenge your audience has, or briefly share a story that leads into your main topic. Use simple conversational language, as if you're speaking directly to one person. In the main content, keep things easy to skim. Break your ideas into short paragraphs and try to stick to one main idea per paragraph. This makes your newsletter feel lighter and more readable on both desktop and mobile. Then, add your call to action. Choose one primary action you want readers to take and make the wording clear and specific, whether that's to read a blog post, reply to the email, or check out an offer. For the closing, wrap up with a short, friendly sign-off and consider ending with a simple question to encourage replies and engagement. Finally, make sure your signature and footer look clean and professional, and that they meet basic email compliance requirements. If you want to edit any text, click directly on the text area in the preview. A small text toolbar will appear at the top, letting you adjust font, size, formatting, and links. If you need to edit a specific block, such as an image, button, or section, click on that block in the preview. The right-hand sidebar will update with options tailored to that block, so you can adjust things like colors, spacing, or alignment. Once you're happy with how everything looks and reads, go to the top right and click Publish. After the page reloads, choose Send Email. This will expand a panel where you can fine-tune your sending details. Here, you can confirm or change the sending address, choose who will receive the email, and optionally add filters or filter groups if you want to target specific segments of your audience. You can also decide when the newsletter should go out. If you don't want it sent immediately, choose a date and time to schedule it. There's also a space to add an internal note, which is useful if you or your team want to remember the purpose of this email later on. When everything looks correct and you're ready to proceed, click Continue at the bottom right. Your newsletter is now set up and ready to be sent through ConvertKit.